Good afternoon, people of Tallahassee. A great forecast is ahead for you. Today you saw warmer temperatures with that sun making its presence known as we had those cloudy skies yesterday with the rain. 64 degrees is what it is currently outside with that 40-degree dew point and 41% humidity. So it's a rather pleasant day outside, and we saw the sun and we saw warm temperatures and most of all, no rain. Around the Big Bend, much of the area is seeing similar conditions. We have 64 in Tallahassee, 65 down near the coast in St. Marks, 62 in Carabel, and we have 63 up in Bainbridge. But these temperatures will drop off as that sun starts to set, and it will drop off rather quickly too as we have a cool night ahead. Now, the 24-hour temperature change shows what it was 24 hours behind the temperature difference in between then. And what you're going to notice here is that Tallahassee is 13 degrees of a difference. We have a lot warmer temperatures than we did at this point yesterday, which was all due to the sun, so we can thank the sun for this. Warmer temperatures for much of the area. You see Perry at 12 degrees of a difference, but warmer conditions, and it was a pleasant change for most of us. It was a windy day as well, as we had that high to our north, bringing those winds from the north. We had 15 miles per hour in Tallahassee, you have 5 in St. Marks, 13 Mariana, so rather windy day, but it was a warm one and rather comfortable. Satellite radar shows not really a whole lot to speak of. Really, the radar is looking rather quiet with this will be the trend for the next few days until we have another possible front moving through later on in the week. But it's going to stay rather dry for the weekend. Should be a great weekend, really. Looking at the water vapor map, this tells the story of the next few days. You can see this dry air sitting all behind that cold front, and that's due to that high pressure system. Here's that cold front that moved on through and brought a good bit of rain and wind for much of Florida and the southeast, and that is going to continue to push off out of the way and settle in this high pressure system behind us, which will keep us very dry and pleasant for the next few days. Futurecast temps show that it's going to be a cool night. Already at 7 o'clock, 51 degrees, and as we go on overnight, you see most of Florida is going to cool off rather well overnight, especially northern Florida, 30 degrees in Tallahassee, so it's going to be a cold night, 35 out in Pensacola. So much of the Panhandle is going to see very cold temperatures for us there. As we move on into Friday, the afternoon is going to be a little bit cooler than it was today, but still a bit comfortable with that sun out at 56 degrees and warmer temperatures to our south. Now, if we look into Saturday morning, another cold start for us again. That's the trend that you're going to notice. 31 degrees in Tallahassee in the morning. You have 49 in Jacksonville, and you have a warmer 69 in Miami, so much warmer there. But for the most part, cold nights are what to expect ahead. And as we move on to Saturday, it's going to be a great day, rather sunny with 54 in Tallahassee, 60 in Tampa, 67 in Fort Myers. So clearly there's a trend here with those temperatures, and it's going to be a great one, so you should be enjoying that. Tonight's forecast shows clear and cold. Those temperatures are going to be frigid. It's going to be a cold night for you. 34 in Tallahassee, you have 35 in St. Marks, so a very cold night, so you're going to want to bundle up if you're going outside. As we look into tomorrow, that cold start is going to be noticed, but those winds and that sun will be making itself known as well, as we'll have warmer temperatures, 62 down in St. Marks, 61 in Monticello, with that light wind, so very warm temperatures for you there. As we look into the 5-day forecast, you can see the next 3 days through the weekend, this is all you can ask for a weekend. Great temperatures and sunny skies. But as you move on into Monday, as I step aside here, you can see that next system should be moving through, bringing us a chance for rain. But overall, it's going to be a great forecast for you up ahead. Have a great night.